You are earning, but it still feels like you are falling behind. Not able to meet up with financial demands and investment desires. Prices are climbing, your salary is crawling, and time is ticking. If you are serious about escaping this economic squeeze, you need inflation-proof side hustles you can start today. No waiting, no fluff. Stay with me till the end, no skipping. This could change everything for you. Here is the truth. In times like these, earning extra income is no longer a luxury, it's survival. But not all side hustles are created equal. Some crash the moment the economy shifts, others, they grow stronger. So today, I'm handing you real, battle-tested side hustles that not only survive inflation, they thrive in it. Whether you're in Nigeria, the US or anywhere in the world, these are practical, beginner-friendly, and scalable. Side Hustle 1. Skill-based digital services. Start with digital skills that solve urgent problems. Think about freelance bookkeeping for small businesses struggling to track rising costs. Content writing or copywriting for finance or e-commerce brands who are scaling even in tough times. Virtual assistant services. Productivity tools are booming because businesses want lean, remote help. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn Outreach to land clients. Why it's inflation-proof? Businesses may cut staff, but they still need critical work done affordably. That's where you come in. Side Hustle 2. Home-based essentials resale. What do people still buy during inflation? Food, water, toiletries, data, basic meds, small electronics. Start a micro-retail hustle. Resell essentials in bulk, sanitary pads, tissue paper, data top-ups, toothpaste, cooking gas. Partner with wholesale suppliers or online distributors. Use WhatsApp status plus Instagram to market locally. Why it's powerful. Even when people cut costs, they still must buy essentials. You're not pushing luxury, you're supplying needs. Side Hustle 3. Digital product creation. Selling digital products is a goldmine right now. You can create the books or guides on budgeting, side hustle tips, parenting, etc. You can create even Canva templates, Notion planners, paid PDFs or checklists and sell on Etsy, PayHip, Seller, Gumroad, or even WhatsApp if you're in Africa. Why it works? Once it's created, it keeps selling, and inflation doesn't eat into digital delivery. Your cost remains low, profit stays high. Side Hustle 4. Voiceover and podcast editing services. In an age of content explosion, audio-focused services are exploding. If you have a good voice or can learn editing, offer podcast intros, outros, explainer video voiceovers, YouTube short narration, audiobook production. Why it survives inflation. Businesses are doubling down on content, but cutting costs. Instead of hiring full teams, they outsource to solo experts. That's where you come in. Side Hustle 5. Online micro-teaching and tech-assisted consulting. Parents want results, not school talk. You can teach NECO or UTME prep if you are in Nigeria. SAT or IELTS basics, globally, kids coding or anything. For tech-assisted consulting, you don't need to be a teacher, just 2 steps ahead of someone else. Whether it's teaching Canva, MS Excel, or basic graphic design, people pay for focused, direct help. Use Zoom, Google Meet, or even WhatsApp voice notes. Create bundles or packages. And if you're good, your referrals will do the heavy lifting. And here's the beauty. Your sessions can eventually become a course. That's 2 incomes from 1 effort. Side Hustle 6. Affiliate marketing with evergreen niches. People think affiliate marketing is dead. It's not. It's just shifted. Instead of shady links, promote tools people actually need. Think about budgeting apps, freelancer platforms, or investing tools. Platforms like Impact, PartnerStack, and even Amazon offer recurring commissions. Focus on products with monthly subscriptions, and you'll build passive income that grows as inflation grows. Pro tip: Power moves to multiply side hustle income. You didn't come here for average advice. So here's how you take your inflation-proof hustle and make it unstoppable. Stack your skills. If you're a designer, learn copywriting. If you're a video editor, learn storytelling. Combining skills multiplies your rates. Leverage currency gaps. Use platforms that pay in USD or Euro, then convert and save in high-yield savings or digital dollar accounts. Your effort stays the same, but your value increases. Here's the bottom line. Inflation isn't waiting for you to figure things out, but you don't have to wait either. Pick one side hustle from today's list, just one. Go deep, stay consistent, and give it 90 days. Let me know in the comments, which side hustle are you starting this week? If you found value in this, hit subscribe to Ellent Finance for more proven money strategies. Check out the playlist Inflation Survival Kit. Money tactics for high inflation to stay ahead. Let's beat inflation, one smart hustle at a time.